Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll show how to sketch a single acting reciprocating engine in AutoCAD software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. And this you are watching, this is the piston, and this one is the connecting rod, and this one is the crank, and this one is the suction pipe, the delivery pipe, and this one is the suction head, and this one is the delivery head, and the total head is will be suction head plus delivery head. I want to watch it. Okay. See the total head equal to HD plus HS, or anyone I can say that HS plus SD, and you will see this the function of this single acting reciprocating engine in command box 1. So now I'm going to start. Okay, I don't want to draw it. I think no need to draw it. I'm watching in this page. So you're watching. Now I'm taking the line. I'm taking a line from here to up to here. Okay, done. Then going here up to 8 mm. I mean 8 inch. Done. After that I'm going to the fillet. Going to the fillet and going to the radius. I'm taking the radius is 2 and okay, done. After that taking the line again, taking line from here, not putting the not pressing the mouse. So after going to the 2 units, I'm pressing the mouse, then I'm taking upwards 5, then going here, taking up to here first. Okay, done. I will click okay, then taking the line again and I'm going up to 4, then draw a line up to 4, then going here. Now see, done. Then going to the fillet and I'm making the radius is 1, another 1, again taking the fillet, radius is taking the 1 mm, sorry 1 inch. Okay, done. Then what can I do? I can take the line and sketch a line from here. Okay, up to this, I will click okay. Then again taking the fillet and radius is will be 1 and click 1 and another click. Okay, done. Then taking a line and sketch a line from here to here, advanced click. Then going to the offset, taking the offset is 0.5, I mean 1, not 5. I'm taking the 1, then click here, another click inside, advanced click okay. Taking the line and draw a line from here, see, and copy this line, copy, click here, enter, and one copy up to this, see, this line, and again, again, again. Okay. And I can draw. I don't know. See, the piston is done. Then I'm taking the line from the center of this, from here, and up to this. I must click OK. Then going to the offset and 0.5 is taken the distance. One click here, another click this here. Just click OK. Then taking another line from this midpoint, sketch it, right one click OK. Then taking circle, I'm taking a circle who should be the 3 inch, and diameter is 3. Okay, done. Not created. Going to here, take a center and radius circle, sketch a circle. Okay, I'm taking the circle radius is 4. Okay, done. Okay, created. Then I want to take a line from here and 10, T and 10, enter and click here. That means click OK. Take in line again and click, and then click on this line. Done. Okay, see. After that, I'm taking the line, sketch a line from here. That means click OK. Then copy, COP, enter. Copy this one, enter, and cross this. That means click enter. And I'm taking the line again, sketching a line from here to here, enter. Then again copy, CO, enter, copy, enter. Okay, done. Then this one is done. Going here, the cylinder is taking up to this. Again the cylinder is taking up to. Okay, I will click enter. Now see. Then I'm taking a line from here to here and going to the 3-point arc, 1 point, another point. Okay, after this, and again arc, 1 point, another point, after this. Then going here, image taken, right one click, image, image, image. Okay, then click here, enter, select this one, click on the key. After that, see, then taking line here to here, that one click, okay. Then going to the mirror, click this one, enter, and click here to here, then enter. Now you click here and delete this. Now see, and I'm taking the arc again, one click and another click, another click is here. Okay, done. Then I can copy, CO, enter, click here and click on this point. Rotation is this way. See, then uh, I'm going to copy, CO, this one is copy, enter, and I'm taking this one is up to here. This one is the connecting rod. Again that one is click, copy, crank, enter, and copy this one. This one is the crank. Okay, and escape from the keyboards. After that, I'm selecting this one, you can see, and I'm taking this line line, then okay. And another things, I'm selecting these lines and going here, selecting these lines. I think you got this one is the center lines again. This one is better. Okay, now then right button is click, copy, and click here, enter, and going to put here. This one is the delivery pipe, and I'm going to click here, CO, copy, then copy from here, copy up to here. This one is the suction pipe, escape, and select this one, delete from the keyboard. So suction pipe, and another things, this one. Then I'm taking the line from to here, right click, or I can copy. Uh, Say Z tilde Z. Select this one, delete from the keyboard. I can copy this one, Control Z. Or I'm taking this one just similarly. Okay, I'm taking this line is from the middle one up to here. Right click, enter. Then another line is taken from here to here. Done. Then taking a line, sketch a line from here to here. Again click, again line, taking a line from here to here. Right click, then again taking a line here to here. Okay, again taking line from here. Now right click, okay. Then copy, CO, copy this one, enter, and copy. I'm taking this line is larger. Okay, done. Then CO, enter, take here, enter, copy this one up to midpoint and up to here. Reference click, okay. Then again CO, enter, copy, enter, click here, one click, click, reference click, okay. Then CO, enter, click here, enter, then copy it and paste here. And escape from the keyboard, select this one, copy, enter, then copy it and paste here. Okay, that is cool. And this one is the suction head, this one is the delivery head. Then I'm taking the water, okay, I'm taking up to this CO, enter, and I'm copying this here and up to here. Okay, skip from the keyboard. Now see. I think got it everybody, how to sketch a single acting reciprocating pump. And I can also click write the equations. Now I'm going to the text, multi text is selected, sketch here, and I'm taking this one is the cube. I mean the flow rate cube is equal to len, LA and len divided by 60, and I'm taking the value will be 1 1. Okay, then enter. I can click here, and I'm taking this one is the 1, So very low. I'm taking this as 2. It's okay. Then I can take another second, and total head will be so going here. Multitasking is taken. Another click, and Q is equal another equation. Len L capital A minus small a 10. So your note it will be on the piston rod area will be very very small. In that case, this formula would be happen. This would be 60. So done. Okay. I'm taking this one as a 1. Okay. Got it. Here another things. So you are watching. This one is the suction pipe piston, and this one is the suction head, delivery pipe, connecting the crank, and the function of this single acting reciprocating pump I'll show in first comment. So again another thing is sketching the total heads total head total head is equal to suction head total head is equal to suction head plus delivery, and I'm taking this one here. Okay, the formula. I think everybody got it, how to sketch a single acting reciprocal pipe in AutoCAD software. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The Redesign engineering is always with you. Thank you so much.